Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to connect your card to PayPal. First, open your web browser or the PayPal app and log into your account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Wallet section. On the mobile app, this might be under Banks and Cards or a similar option. This is where you manage all your payment methods, ensuring a smooth and secure experience. Next, you will see an option to link a debit or credit card. Click on this to proceed. Carefully enter your card's 16-digit number, the expiration date, and the 3- or 4-digit security code, often called the CVV. It is also important to confirm that your billing address matches the one on file with your card issuer to avoid any issues. To verify your card, PayPal will make a small, temporary charge, typically around $1.95 to your card. This charge will appear on your online statement within 2 to 3 business days. Find the unique 4-digit code associated with this transaction. Then, return to your PayPal wallet, select the card, and enter the code to complete the verification. This charge is fully refunded. Congratulations! Your card is now successfully linked to your PayPal account. You can now use it for secure online purchases and sending money. If you wish, you can set this card as your preferred payment method for future transactions. Enjoy the convenience and security of using PayPal, knowing your financial details are protected with every payment you make.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.